Frida Kahlo was born in Mexico City in 1907. Her mother was a native Mexican and her father was a German immigrant. The name Frida means peace in German. Growing up, Frida had three sisters who enjoyed playing together in the family home that was called La Casa Azul, which is Spanish for the blue house. When Frida was 6 years old, she got very sick. She had a disease called polio that affected her legs. After she recovered from polio, she continued to walk with a limp for the rest of her life. As Frida grew older, she began to draw and paint. Although she enjoyed creating artwork, she decided she wanted to study medicine. She studied hard in school and she was on her way to realizing her dream of helping others by becoming a doctor. Then, tragically, at the age of 18, Frida was badly injured in a bus accident, dashing her hopes of becoming a doctor. After the accident, she spent many months recovering from her injuries. As she was recovering in her bed, she wanted an activity to keep her busy, so she started painting again. She soon discovered art as a way to express her emotions and her views of the world around her. It was during this time that Frida started to consider art as a career. Frida's artistic style was influenced by Mexican portrait artists and Mexican folk art with a mixture of realism and symbolism. She used bold and vibrant colors in her paintings, and many of her works included animals like monkeys and birds. Most of Frida's paintings are self-portraits. 55 of her 143 paintings are portraits. Many of Frida's paintings depict experiences from her life. Some express the pain she felt from her injuries that she received from the bus accident. Frida Kahlo married Mexican artist Diego Rivera in 1929 at the age of 22. Together they lived in La Casa Azul, Frida's family home. Today, La Casa Azul is a popular museum in Mexico City, dedicated to Frida's life and work. This museum displays paintings by Frida and Diego, as well as many objects from their life. This museum helps tell the story of Frida Kahlo, one of the most important artists in the 20th century. Frida Kahlo died in Mexico City in 1954 at the age of 47. We can feel grateful to Frida Kahlo for sharing the story of her life through her paintings. Her colorful style reminds us that she was an expressive, resilient, and strong force in the wonderful world of art.